Hello friends! We are in the Daintree Rainforest about to go onto a ferry. This thing over here, you can barely see it, cost us $28 to go on this thing. And we could get a bridge there.
Let's bring your own bridge. You have to bring your own bridge.
You have to bring your own bridge. Asked the guy if there was any other way around the ferry, and he just looked at us like we were stupid. Maybe he thought like swimming in the river would be better, but I don't know.
Good. For the crocodiles.
What if they gave you like a little snorkel mask? They were like, or this. These are your options.
That would be $27.
$1 off. What a deal.
Alright, and so we're gonna do some walking tours. What else? Hit up the tea company and
Discovery Center.
The Discovery Center and discover the nature and ourselves.
Discover the rainforest.
We are walking in a rainforest right now, but it's like legit a rainforest, and we look great in our hoods, so look at this.
So right now we're eating mangosteens, which are in season for 3 weeks. And they're cost about $40 for a kilogram. And like cans in Sydney, and they export them to Europe. But we just got 3 for free from a very friendly gas station attendant. He said they grow in the area, and there's just like these old guys who come and bring them in, and he's been like topping them off all day as tourists come in and take them, even though I've never even heard of a mangosteen before. And it is downright delicious.
So we're gonna try some now. How do I open it?
You rip it open with your hands.
Like
a beast.
on the top?
On the side.
Honestly, this is the best fruit I've ever had.
It's so good.
It's really good.
What's it called? Mangosteen.
Yeah, they're selling them for $10 a bag in there.
How many are in a bag?
Like 6.
Oh my
I can't
gosh.
really eat that much of it, but like, it's
Yeah.
so sweet. It's
So
like,
don't eat this purple-y part. This is hard to open.
wow.
Oh. Okay, and I take one of these little white guys.
Mm-hmm. And do you love it?
It's super sweet.
It's so good.
It's
It
not
is.
too sweet though. Like it's like
Yeah.
sweet, but it's not sugary. If that makes sense. Like, it's just very natural.
It tastes very tropical.
Mmm. So good.
I don't even know what to compare it to.
My thumbs are like pink. My fingers are like pink now. Yeah, what do you even compare this to?
I think it's a lychee.
Cyclone, and she makes me wanna move it all night long. Left on the spotlight song, cause she moves her body like a cyclone. It's like a cyclone. Oh, hey, what?
Monica, Does it feel like we're in the Rainforest Cafe right now?
Craving some dinosaur chicken nuggies.